way the good Lord made you.
This is gonna be such a waste of time.
Hey, is there a Fred in the house? It's the therapist.
Did you just walk into my house without ringing the doorbell? I mean, no offense, but that's kind of rude.
So Fred, you can just lay down right there on that couch, wherever you feel comfortable, and just relax. Oh, and, can you turn off that camera? Because I don't want to end up on YouTube or something.
If you insist, I guess I'll turn it off. I'll talk to you guys later after the therapist session.
Did you just talk to that camera, Fred? That doesn't seem healthy. Maybe you should be talking to kids who can actually interact with you. A camera doesn't say anything back, does it?
I like it when it doesn't say anything back. It's better than talking to someone like you.
Okay, Fred, you can get right up. We're done.
Wow, finally. I mean, I thought that would never end.
Fred, I don't know how to say this, but after hearing all those thoughts inside your head and everything you have to tell me, I think you really need to be seeing me regularly, or maybe even see a psychiatrist, because you just have some deep, deep problems that need to be solved.
You think I'm messed up? You're messed up. Obviously, you aren't good at being a therapist. You just come in here and judge me. You think you know me after 20 minutes? Get out of here. Get out of my house. You can't come in here and judge me like that. Get out. That girl just comes in here and thinks she can judge me. She doesn't even know me. I mean, she calls that a job. All she did was sit there and go, tell me more about that. How do you feel about that? I mean, what the heck? I could do that. People like her deserve to have some sense knocked into them. And by knocked into them, I mean with the bat. Just kidding, obviously. But yeah, you know, I mean...
Did that therapist come today, Fred?
Yeah, she came and she judged me and she judged you. She told me that it was wrong that you worked the corners.
What, Fred? You weren't supposed to tell anyone that I worked the corners. I told you that.
Why does it matter if I tell anyone? You told me it wasn't a big deal. I mean, what's the big deal about it? I don't understand. I mean, what does it even mean, really? I mean, aren't you just standing on a corner? I don't get it.
Well, you aren't seeing that therapist ever again if you're just going to tell her all those secrets about our family. What the heck, Fred?
Well, good, because I'm going to want to see her again, or any other therapist. Just whatever. I mean, if that girl thinks she can go around to our town and just judge people like that, then that is her problem, not mine. But yeah, I'm going to go because me and the cat with rabies have a play date scheduled. Peace out, home dog.